This amazing shea butter soap leaves my skin feeling so soft, creamy and smooth without any residue. It is made with highly rich and beneficial natural ingredients and contains no harsh chemicals. Also, it is good for your skin as its natural oils will help nourish and hydrate your skin. It is anti-aging, which means it will keep your skin looking young and fresh. Additionally, it is gentle enough for all kinds of skin, even the most sensitive ones. The ingredients are unrefined shea butter 132 g, coconut oil 122 grams, olive oil 49 grams, pure rose red and solid red mica